and welcome to Star Stop, or the new Star Stop as it is these days, where we use Zoom apps. Everyone's using it these days, man. I'll tell you, the beauty of how these interviews being conducted is sort of being felt by everyone. Nobody needs to go anywhere. Everyone's sitting in their houses. All they have to do is get ready. And for us interviewers, I don't have to wait for anyone. Because when you say at this time it's starting, you know you're starting at this time. So these are some of the advantages, and today my guest has sort of burst back onto the scene with the web shows. She had Ram Singh Chali, a film that came out that is one of the highest rated films on the platform. It went abroad as well. Of course, Kumud Mishra in that, and the very wonderful Sharib Hashmi had written it, the actor. And now Hostages. So is this the time for Divya Datta to be sort of seen once again? A lady who's considered one of our finest actresses. I'm going to welcome on the show today. Thanks for joining us, Divya. Really awesome to have you. And every time मैं बड़ी सी एक बायोडेटा निकालता हूँ ना, हमारे जो एक्टर्स हमें ज्वाइन करते हैं, इन्होंने ये किया, वो किया, ये किया. आपके साथ तो ऐसा कुछ करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. नाम बोल दिया और लक्षण आगे चलते हैं आपके. आपका काम आपसे पहले आता है. And that is what a good actor always wants, the work to precede them, you know. So how do you feel now? तो you're coming back to back, which is great to see. Now बड़े पर्दे पर ना सही, nobody's coming there. Ram Singh Chali, now Hostages too. How are you feeling being back in the thick of things, first to say?
Thank you, Salil. You've always been very kind, first of all. अच्छा लग रहा है to be in the thick of things because in 5 महीने में 4 releases हो गए मेरे. Special Ops आया, फिर Relationship Manager आए, फिर ये Ram Singh Charlie आई, and now Hostages too. So it feels nice that people are seeing you one after the other, and they're all very diverse roles. So of course it feels nice. I had shot for them just before the lockdown. ये lockdown से पहले के जो fruits हैं वो हो रहे हैं.
So, you know, last year you would have spent a large portion of your time actually shooting for this. A lot of people will ask this question. In that time spent when an actor is shooting and can't really put too many pictures out because social media blockade hota hai ya kaise hota hai. And when somebody asks you this question, kya chal raha hai aajkal? What are you doing? And you get irritated, you want to tell him, I'm doing so much. But you can't. ये में जो मानसिक स्थिति है एक्टर की, I want to know about this.
Very interesting question, Salil. Actually, हमारी जिंदगियां बड़ी unpredictable होती हैं. Either you're shooting continuously or then you have releases and either you're shooting with that simultaneously or not shooting with that. So बड़े मुख्तलिफ तरह के phases मिलते हैं, एकदम ऐसा या एकदम ऐसा. तो जब आप शूट कर रहे होते हैं और आपकी रिलीजेस नहीं हो रही होती, तो जो बाकी के लोग होते हैं वो आपकी जान खा जाते हैं कि भाई क्या चल रहा है आजकल, दिख नहीं रहे हो भाई, मैं बहुत शूट कर रही हूँ. हाँ वो तो ठीक है, लेकिन आओगे कब, दिखोगे कब, किस में आ रहे हो, फलां के साथ दिखोगे कि नहीं दिखोगे. So they're like a bundle of questions right there from people who don't know the industry. I started again with शीर कोरमा. उससे मैंने दोबारा शुरुआत की थी सितंबर में, और उसके बाद कंटिन्यूअसली 6 महीने नॉन स्टॉप शूट किया. मतलब एक दिन भी घर नहीं आई, घर वाले शक्ल भूल गए थे कि कैसी दिखती है. उसके बाद इतनी शक्ल दिखा दी मैंने लॉकडाउन में कि now they're saying get out.
We had this discussion. I have to tell all our viewers. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि बहुत सारे लोग ट्रांसफॉर्म हो गए हैं during the lockdown, she is so consistent. She has not transformed. She is no longer somebody who can stay in the house and can cook. She doesn't know or claim also to have become a great master chef and various other things. So this has been a very difficult time for you because all the others have maybe added some skills that are within the confines of the house. आपकी ऐसे skills क्या add हुई हैं? Apart from हम जानते cooking नहीं.
तो सुनिए, कुकिंग itself is not the only skill at home, okay? और मुझे कुछ अलग करना था. मतलब हर कोई कुकिंग ही कर रहा है, तो मैंने भी कोशिश की. तो नहीं इंटरेस्ट आया, ठीक है, इट्स ओके. थोड़े से 2-3 चीजें बनाई, अच्छी थी. बाकी it's all right. I mean, I don't enjoy as much and I don't actually have the patience. मुझे होता है कि खाना रखा तो फट-फट से बना डालो. अभी उसको सिमर करो, उसको इतनी देर वो रखो, वो सब मैं नहीं कर पाती. I just can't. So I had to see other skills, which I did. I do a lot of sketching. I make a disaster of my own house with my niece, nephew, and everyone. So जब servants नहीं थे तो disaster भी खुद करते थे, सफाइयाँ भी खुद करते थे. तो बहुत काम था करने को. Plus, of course, I'm writing.
Painting at the back, is that you? Have you made it yourself? Self-portrait है? अच्छा, मैं मुझे
gifted it to me.
beautiful self portrait, मतलब बहुत ही कमाल का है.
Thank you. Thanks very much. So yeah, then I'm writing. Of course, I'm writing my next book, which takes a lot of my time. And then I play badminton in the building. वो भी बड़ा काम होता है. और मैं क्या करती हूँ? पता नहीं मैं क्या करती हूँ. मैं बड़ी busy हूँ सर.
You know, a lot of people have had difficulty getting over the anxiety and the insecurity that a lockdown has brought. You know, in your case, you're one of the few actors who can say कि insecurity तो बिल्कुल नहीं आई, क्योंकि घर बैठ के लोगों ने मुझे बहुत देखा है. और अच्छी आज ही मतलब सेट पर ही तारीफ हो रही थी कि हॉस्टेज इश्यूज में बहुत कमाल का काम किया आपने. यू नो, माय प्रोडक्शन हैड सीन इट एंड दोज पीपल, ये फुकरे लोग हैं, ये 2 रुपए खर्च करके कभी कोई पिक्चर नहीं देखने जाते हैं. बट कमाल की बात यह है कि ये सारे डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म्स पर A to Z हर एक सीन की चर्चा हो रही है. यू नो, सो एक्चुअली इज दिस गोइंग टू बी अ रिसर्जेंट 2021 for you, where a lot of filmmakers and a lot of producers are saying, you know, maybe I didn't see her in this avatar, maybe I didn't see her like this. Suddenly I mean, one can never say there's a resurgence of yours because you've always been around and doing lots of good work, but will you see 2021 opening a lot new doors for you because of how 2020 has been?
Actually, honestly, I don't work with people who think of me after seeing a certain work of mine, because then they're following perceptions. I think you reach a stage where you want to work with people who kind of reinvent you rather than just follow what somebody else's vision was for you. So जो लोग कहते हैं अरे इसको फलां फिल्म में देखा था वैसा ही रोल इसमें भी दे दो, तो मैं it's a huge put off for me. Because then I think अगर आप दूसरों का ही विजन फॉलो कर रहे हैं तो फिर मैं आपके साथ क्यों काम करूं? You have to see me differently. Like after Veer Zara, Rakesh Mehra gave me something very different, which was the Jalebi, a local hottie. And I was very kind of flabbergasted कि मुझे रोल कैसे मिल गया. So I asked him, I said, आप ये तो पंजाबी रोल भी नहीं है, चुलबुला भी नहीं है, why are you giving it to me? So he said, because I think you can, you know, carry it off well. And that kind of gave me confidence in myself, one. Plus, my respect for him like grew multi-bounds, because here's a director who does not see what people are seeing me as. कि इसका पिछला फ्राइडे कैसा था, इसका इमेज, यहाँ पे लोग इमेज में बांधने को इतने ज्यादा उत्सुक होते हैं कि अरे बांध दो इसको इमेज में, मुझे नहीं बनना. So that was always my thing. So I work with directors who like to present me differently. Like I did Ram Singh Chadha.
Makes it very narrow, but उसमें मतलब आप बहुत सारे ऐसे डायरेक्टर्स होते हैं जो शायद फर्स्ट टाइम अगर काम कर रहे हो, जिन्होंने शायद आपको सिर्फ देखा होगा, you know, तो उसमें
See, it's not about new or being a veteran. It's about having it in you and seeing you and presenting you differently. Like Nitin Kakkad, I was just telling you, Ram Singh Charlie, jab humne ki, he thought I was a very glamorous face, and I really wanted to do that film because I loved the script. So I said, ये आप डायरेक्टर हो, आपको अगर मैं ग्लैमरस फेस लगती हूँ तो आपका काम है मुझे डी-ग्लैम करना, डालो मुझे उसमें करो. And he did. And what he got me totally without makeup in the film. मतलब cheating वाला makeup भी नहीं. बिल्कुल ऐसा चेहरा कि आप मुंह धोकर आए. थोड़ी cheating की थी मैंने कि but he sent me to the washroom. He said, go wash your face. And so that. And plus he told me, you're known for your emotional scenes, you're known for your smile. I don't want you to do any of this in my film. So I was like, Arey, how come? So he took me back to the raw me and made me unlearn a lot of things and relearn. That for me is a good director who is giving you a new you. So मैं ऐसे directors के साथ काम करती हूँ, नए हो veteran हो, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, अच्छा होना बहुत जरूरी है.
जो क्राफ्ट बहुत अच्छी तरह जानता है, जैसे कि आप जैसे बहुत सारे एक्टर्स हैं, मुझे कई बार टेक्नीशियंस बोलते हैं कि यार ये ना बहुत वो मंझे हुए हैं, तो थोड़ा सा हैंडल करना पड़ता है, थोड़ा सा एडजस्ट करना पड़ता है. आर यू वन ऑफ दोज दो थोड़ा सा बोलता है कि मेरे लिए तुमने ये सब प्रॉपरली नहीं किया? मतलब आर यू डिमांडिंग एज एन एक्टर, नॉट फॉर व्हाट इज ऑल अराउंड यू, मतलब वैन खाना पीना नो, बट एज एन एक्टर कैन यू बी डिफिकल्ट?
I can be difficult before I'm on the set. On the script level, I need, because I read a film script as an audience. I see my role as an audience कि मैं इससे कितना कनेक्ट कर रही हूँ, जैसा मर्जी रोल हो, नेगेटिव हो, पॉजिटिव हो, छोटा हो, बड़ा हो. I need to feel कि इतने सारे रोल्स में ये मेरे लिए स्टैंड आउट करता है. अगर नहीं करता है तो मैं इसे स्टैंड आउट कैसे करूँ? So I have to add that, and I need to be satisfied with the graph. Once I'm happy with the look, with everything where she's going. On set, I'm a child. So no demands, no nothing. Yes, please give me my vanity for sure.
कभी बचपन में भी नहीं मांगे? मैं कितनी बार सुनता हूँ व्हाइट कलर्ड स्टार्च होना चाहिए और वाटर ना बहुत ठंडा ना बहुत गर्म, एंड I'd like 4 almonds in a little cup.
I'm going to try that one day and see how it feels.
इंडस्ट्री एक बहुत ही बड़े अपीवल से जा रहा है, because people's perceptions, change with the kind of stuff they see. Now, because they've not seen enough, and not everybody has noticed enough work that is going on, they now have their agendas against it, and I'm talking about common people, not talking about industry people. The common people, it seems like all the frustration and the jealousy जो भर भर के रखी थी अंदर, जो पहले क्रिकेट के साथ सिर्फ होता था, अगर एक लड़के ने 300 रन मार दिए, अगले मैच में 0 पर आउट हो गया, बोला निकालो इसे टीम से, अब ऐसी थॉट प्रोसेस फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के लिए होने लग गई है. एंड आई हैव नेवर सीन दिस काइंड ऑफ अग्रेसिव वाइब अगेंस्ट पीपल दैट आर डूइंग वेरी वेल. यू शुड रियली बी सेइंग थैंक यू सो मच, मैंने बहुत स्ट्रगल किया है, और तब जाके लोग बोलते हैं अरे वाह वेरी गुड, ऐसा ऐसा लड़का चाहिए. Are you worried with this kind of thought process that is sweeping across the nation? And I thought first I was exaggerating this. But the more I'm seeing it, the more I'm seeing 25, 28, 27-year-olds starting to have a point of view which is very aggressive towards the film industry. It almost seems like as if वो क्योंकि नहीं कर पाए तो और कोई जो कर पा रहा है उसमें जरूर कोई चीटिंग कर रहे होंगे आगे जाने के लिए.
One, I think the generation you're talking about is a very fast thinking generation. फटाफट हर चीज हम फटफट करते हैं, हम डिजिटल दुनिया में रहते हैं, और my generation was we've gone through, हम लोग मिट्टियों में खेले हैं, हम लोग मार्बल्स खेले हैं, हमने वो सब किया है जहाँ पे हमारे हाथ में with the twiddle of a thumb you didn't have the world on your hand.
Yeah.
You've seen it whilst you've grown or whilst you've been here, but we've seen a process of it happening. So here everything is like fast, quick, and that also spreads around as quick as it comes. And that's how their perceptions are also made as quick as it happens, without any reasoning. There might be reasoning, but without any afterthought to it, I would say. हर जगह का एक phase आता है, हर जगह हर तरह के लोग होते हैं. I don't indulge such people as much कि आप जानना चाहते हैं क्या हो रहा है. I'm not here to tell you that. The end of the story is, Salil, that I am very proud of this industry.
Yes.
Because this has made me who I am. I have found some very amazing directors and friends that I have worked with here. It has given me my niche for life. It has made me who I am, and I cannot thank it enough. Saying that, हर तरह के लोग हर जगह होते हैं, और उसके बेसिस पे हम पूरी इंडस्ट्री को ठप्पा नहीं लगा सकते. तो और वो ऐसा नहीं है कि वो सिर्फ इंडस्ट्री में है, क्योंकि इंडस्ट्री सबकी आंखों के पास सामने है कि अरे ये भी होता है, ये भी होता है. आप सोशल मीडिया पे भी देख रहे हैं, आप खबरों में भी देख रहे हैं. यही चीजें शायद बाहर भी हो रही हो, लेकिन उसके बारे में लोगों को इंटरेस्ट थोड़ी है. They want to know about stars, they want to know about celebs, they want to know about everything that's spoken about. So I think this is a phase when something nice will come out of it. कुछ अच्छा निकल के आएगा, ये फेज भी चला जाएगा. हमें हमेशा कोई एक खबर चाहिए फोकस करने के लिए, उसके बाद हम दूसरी खबर पर चले जाते हैं. वो है, वो दुनिया का दस्तूर है. I don't blame anybody for it. Yes, we are going through a low phase, but I'm sure we'll come out of it.
We'll take a little break and come right back, and this low phase I think will be smashed by cricket and by the big theatre releases. Come right back, don't go anywhere. All right, you're back on Star Stop with me, Salil, the very wonderful Divya Datta with me. And what a time. दुनिया रो रही है, काम नहीं है. इनके तो non-stop, चौथी लगातार release in lockdown. Hostages 2, people have seen it, loved it. And just a couple of weeks back, Ram Singh Chali. And Divya, thanks again for joining me. Ram Singh Chali, look, have you checked out the IMDb ratings? It's right up there, Mount Everest.
Yes, so proud of it.
8.2 is the second highest rated film. I mean, it's amazing. I mean, a lot of people say that now with box office not being a barometer because you can't know, यही एक बचा है. और यहाँ पे तो ना कोई nepotism है, ना कोई आपके कोई powers है. ये तो pure जनता और public ने बोल दिया है. So this must be a big congratulations to the whole team. You, Kumud, Sharib Hashmi, Nitin Kakkad, everybody. You must be so proud.
They've put everything they had at stake. और एक passion के साथ जब किसी चीज में, किसी subject में believe करते हैं, they've gone all out without thinking कि ये producer चाहिए या ये क्या चाहिए या कैसे बिकेगी, ये market कैसे करेंगे. Nothing of the sort. They believed in it. They made it with all their heart. And I'm so glad it got its dues this way, with this kind of a rating, with everyone watching it.
Yeah.
और मुझे लगा था इसकी niche audience होगी, लेकिन इसे तो सब लोग देख रहे हैं, and I'm
Yes.
loving it.
So just to give you ideas, this is 8.2. Kargil, the war hero, is 5.2. I'm just putting those numbers out there. Anyway, moving on to Hostages 2. It's awesome to know, I think that's a slightly different zone for you also. I think, does it matter which platform a show comes on for the actor now? Because now there's a chance of being able to do a lot more. So the platform becomes like the producer, so bigger director, bigger producer. Does it matter? Do you sometimes make a choice based on that sometimes?
I would be lying if I say no. It matters because of the reach that you're talking about. But I've been fortunate that this platform, this is my second show with them. The first was Special Ops.
Yeah.
And it was overwhelmingly received because it also was the beginning of the lockdown, and it was one of the biggest shows that had happened, and it was from Neeraj Pandey, his first as well. Very well received. And this again was the second one. So I think I've been lucky. I got a big platform to work on. Saying that, I think what also matters is your director, your production, your role. ये सब चीजें जिस भी प्लेटफॉर्म पे आएंगी अच्छे से, वो people will watch.
But now I have to watch and ask you, are you upping your rate now? How does it work with this? पहले बॉक्स ऑफिस डिसाइड कर सकता है कि आपको क्या चार्जेस मिलने चाहिए. अब 4 पिछले 5 महीने में आ गए हैं. एक IMDb की सीमाएं तक पहुंच चुका है. तो बताओ कि are you good at negotiation? या फिर ये गड़बड़?
I am a terrible negotiator in real life, but thankfully I have a team which does that for me. But आजकल लोगों ने मेरा रेट बढ़ा दिया, तो मैं खुश हूँ.
Because it must have also been a little disconcerting not seeing box office numbers ना. एक बॉलीवुड एक्टर जो आदी है, कभी कभार ऐसी संडे को देखने के लिए अपनी फिल्में बड़े थिएटर पे, लेकिन बॉक्स ऑफिस नंबर जब नहीं आते हैं और वैसे टाइप की अब रिव्यूइंग भी नहीं हो रही है, थोड़ा खाली खालीपन महसूस होता है एज एन एक्टर.
सलील, रिव्यूइंग में तो कोई फर्क नहीं आया, एक्सेप्ट कि आप पहले वो अखबार खोल के देखते थे कि 3 स्टार्स इस फिल्म को मिल गए. अभी आप ऑनलाइन उसको देख रहे हैं कि इसको इतने रेटिंग मिली है. मैंने तो सब अपने शोज की रेटिंग्स, रिव्यूज सारे पढ़ डाले हैं, अच्छे से निचोड़ भी डाले हैं. और जो so of course you need those reviews because it's like sitting for an exam and getting your results and getting it from a variety of people जिनके अलग बिल्कुल अलग-अलग points of view हैं. आपका विचार कुछ अलग है, कोई और कुछ और सोचता है उसके बारे में, किसी को अच्छा लगा, किसी को बहुत अच्छा लगा, किसी को खामियां मिली उसमें. So all that happens. But numbers, I never was really ever bogged down with numbers, even as an actor in movies. अभी मेरी जो फिल्में आएंगी, रिलीज होंगी, I think what matters is that the film is well watched and I'm received well. That's what matters to me, I guess. Of course, the film does well, it's an asset. And यहाँ पर आपको word of mouth से पता चल जाता है कि ये सीरीज या ये फिल्म जो प्लेटफॉर्म पे आई है अच्छी चली कि नहीं, because हर कोई उसके बारे में बात करता है. First thing you call anybody up is, हाँ भाई आजकल क्या देख रहे हो, तो वो हिट है. फिर आप किसी से पूछ लो कि हाँ भाई what are you watching these days is the first thing after how are you, that you see how, I mean
एक्चुअली इतने वेल्ले हो गए लोग, किसी का कुछ करने के लिए है नहीं, तो मतलब अगर पूरे दिन का काम भी कर लो. मैं वही तो बता रहा हूँ, मेरा यूनिट जो है 5 महीने से घर बैठा है, तो उन्होंने A to Z सारे शो देख लिए हैं, मतलब एक एक सीन देख लिया है पॉज करके. तो ये सबसे अच्छी बात हो गई है. दिस इज अ ग्रेट टाइम आई थिंक टू बी ऑल्सो a good performer because the amount of work I would say will really multiply in the coming few months. Do you see some big changes happening in the industry post all this, not just criticism but also big time discussions about not just star based? It had started in the last couple of years where people like say Ayushmann was choosing good cinema, Anubhav sir was making good cinema, बहुत सारे ऐसे होने लग गए थे. Do you see a big change coming in 2021 like you said कि ये निकल जाएगा तो वापस back to normal हो जाएगा, or do you see a big change?
See, you can't preempt changes year wise. Things happen according to circumstances, और हम लोग अच्छी बात है कि उन circumstances को adapt कर लेते हैं. Lockdown happened, the biggest of films that you thought you would see in the theaters have come on the OTTs. It's the first for everyone, and उनको देखकर बाकी फिल्में भी आ गई. So ऐसा तो किसी ने सोचा नहीं था, लेकिन वो हो गया. We adapted well, and people received those films very well. So that's a good change, but you don't preempt something like that. जैसी थिएटर्स खुलेंगे, जो जो बड़ी फिल्में हैं, जो थिएटर की ही चाहते हैं कि हम थिएट्रिकल रिलीज करें, and I think I would love to watch them, like 83 हो, like Suryavansham हो, all these films I would like to go watch in the theater. तो I'm looking forward to theaters opening up. तो फिर मैं कह रही हूँ कि ऐसा नहीं होगा कि OTT कम important हो जाएगा, दोनों coexist करेंगे, both of them will coexist. Like I think when TV started, everyone said it's a doomsday for theaters. खत्म हो गया थिएटर, अभी फिल्में नहीं होंगी, अब तो टीवी देखेंगे सब. ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ. टीवी की अलग ऑडियंस थी, थिएटर की अलग थी, या दोनों दोनों देखते थे. It's again going to happen because I think we do choose to we have our choices and we make time for whatever we need to watch.
You know, a parting note before I leave, a lot of discussion has been happening on should theaters be asked to open really quickly. Everything else except for theaters has not been opened, you know, and it's a big sore point for so many actors, technicians, people. What's your take on that? I mean, it's not like we're fighting, we don't have a vaccine in sight for a while. Eventually, there's restaurants are opening, people are going out, people are coming to offices. I mean, I'm shooting as well right now. So my question is, do you think that now it's time to say, you know, let's just open it and have the citizen take responsibility?
Listen, the thing is, it's a very, what do you say, sensitive kind of a question. If you're talking about restaurants, you go there, there's more of home delivery than sitting there and having stuff.
Yeah.
So वो बैठकर वहाँ पे crowd में खाना अभी भी allowed नहीं. आप कहीं coffee पीने भी जाते हैं, you take your coffee and you.
But that's in Bombay. In Delhi and all, it's opened. Jaipur में खुल गया, बहुत सारी जगहों पे खुल चुका है.
Yes, but how many of us are self-disciplined? You go out and see कितने masks उतारे हुए हैं सबने. So that's saying that theaters yes should open. I think आज या कल हम लोगों ने petition भी sign किया या government को बोला है कि please theaters शुरू कर दें. So I'm sure with distances kept in the seats, constant cleaning up, and again a discipline that needs to be maintained. Slowly and gradually, we will learn how to watch films in the new normal. But yes, I would love it if theatre starts off for sure.
I can't wait to see you on the big screen. Thank you so much for doing this for us. And 2021 is going to be a big year for you. 2020 has been a big year for you. You're one of the few, so congratulations on all the success, Divya. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Salil. Always a pleasure talking to you. Bye. Take care.